Have you ever wanted to revisit your first? Hi everybody, my name's Amanda. I'm kind of new here. So recently I was going through a declutter and I was rediscovering all this stuff that I had, and well, a lot of stuff I forgot about. So why not rediscover? We have an eyeshadow palette from NYX. We have a powder foundation from Urban Decay. We have a highlighter, a blush, my go-to bronzer. Okay, that's not new or exciting, but hey, why not? See what? Let's just play around and watch the creative process go. Oh, and guys, you know that trusty bell thingy? You know, right there? Click one, you know, down below. And while you're there, hit the subscribe, you know, right here. Yeah, we're gonna not put it over my face because I worked hard on this. And I'm gonna use this palette I got from NYX. I don't think it has a name, but it was from a holiday collection, one of those holiday sets. I had a lipstick and I went, ooh, pretty colors. I still do that. So I'm gonna prime my eyes real quick and we're gonna go in and we're gonna play with the pretty colors. My eyes are primed and I'm ready to go. I'm gonna go in with this color here. It's kind of a gray taupey color, and give it a shot. See what we come up with. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use it as my transition color. Bring it down to my crease. Take a flat shader brush and I'm going to take this red, pinky, maroony color right here, and I'm going to build that up from the center lid to my outer V. Do you ever look at eyeshadow palettes and go, oh, the nostalgia, or different products? Yeah, that's where I'm at today. In the oh, do you remember that? One of those things. I think I'm going to go in with this gray color and try and blend it into the center, the inner half of the lid, and go from there. Now I'm going to go in and blend with the Naked blending and clean blending, Wet n Wild blending brush. You know, naked is what I truly mean, but my face is already primed and I'm going back to my very first foundation. It was a powder foundation from Urban Decay, the Naked Skin Ultra Definition Powder Foundation, and it's no longer available. And I've hit pan quite a bit, so I just want to use it up mostly. I probably should have used concealer first, but for some reason I didn't think of that. The very first blush I ever used is this from Tarte. It's in the color Risque. As you could tell, it doesn't have the embossment, the stamp that they use to press it still in there, which if you've ever had a Tarte blush, you know that's kind of a big deal. And the bronzer, the first bronzer I ever had is from Wet n Wild, and I still use it quite a bit. It's the Bikini Contest. It's actually one of my go-tos, just because it's got a little bit of shimmer, but only a little, and it happens to be just a really good color for me. And in case you need to know what color of skin tone or foundation I am, on the Naked Skin foundation, I am a 4.5. So I'm a medium cool. And I need to go grab my highlighter. Because I am of soccer mom age, I didn't do highlighter. And when I did, I was scared. So I went for the Essence Pure Nude. And so, there's my brush. So we're gonna go in with that. So what are the first products you bought? The first cosmetic products? I mean, I'm just coming into makeup very late in life. And so I didn't get into it. And I'm sure I bought some like lip smacker stuff. And I remember being a kid and getting lip gloss from, I think it was called Wet Lips. It was like the lip gloss that was in a roller ball. But I don't have any one specific thing that I was into until now. And then now I have to have it all. I want it all. I'm trying to be a smart consumer, and I haven't been lately. You'll see. Alright, and for the lips, when I got this little palette from NYX, it came with this lipstick, Honeymoon. And there was a corresponding palette that wasn't screaming my name, but this was the color lipstick, and the color, and these are the matte lipsticks from NYX, and this is in the color Crazed and Honeymoon. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with Nude, and I'll be right back. And first I'm going to go in over with the color Honeymoon. Okay, I think we're safe. I think I have concealer lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix in some of the Crazed and hope this turns out good. Well, it looks better. Oh, I didn't do my brows when I was starting my makeup journey because I have a lot of brows, but I'm going to do those real quick and throw on some mascara, and we'll be right back. This is my final look using my makeup first, except for the mascara. That was really old. And I think it was Lash Discovery from Maybelline. I don't remember. But hey guys, if you like what you see here, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Alright, so here we are. And we'll talk to you later. Okay, bye! I just hit my elbow on something. I should have done a booger check.